Amazon has plenty of clever gadgets that are easy to miss. Here are useful, fun, and budget-friendly finds designed to make everyday tasks simpler. You can find the product links in the profile. Now, let's explore these useful finds. If sink corners always turn into cluttered chaos, this smart triangular drain basket finally gives that awkward space a purpose. Strong magnets snap it directly onto metal sink walls without adhesives, drilling, or tools getting involved. Tiny drainage holes let water escape while catching scraps, peels, and food waste during prep. When full, twist the bottom release and empty everything quickly into the trash. It even works as a handy sponge holder to keep counters cleaner. Early morning walks in dark streets feel a lot less stressful when your dog actually stands out. This smart LED collar lights up in 7 bright colors, making your pup much easier to spot, whether they're running through the yard or walking beside you at night. Pick one color or let it rotate through them automatically, depending on your mood. A single charge lasts up to 10 hours. This smart commercial egg frying machine takes over the breakfast rush and helps keep orders moving without slowing the kitchen down. It pumps out up to 120 perfectly cooked omelets every hour, while a large touchscreen lets you adjust egg count, cooking time, and doneness with one quick tap. The smoke-free non-stick surface delivers crispy edges and soft centers every time without sticking. Space-saving sizing helps it fit tighter kitchens. These magnetic baskets snap securely onto metal surfaces, turning unused sides into instant organization zones for spices and essentials. The magnets are strong enough to hold everything steady, even during quick grabs. Fully adjustable placement lets you customize your setup anytime. Built from rust-proof metal, they stay clean and durable long-term. Overall, it's a smart space-saving hack that helps keep your most used items visible, accessible, and completely off your crowded counters for good. This smart 5-tier rolling basket tower gives every fruit and vegetable a proper, breathable home, while saving serious floor space. The open wire design improves airflow, helping produce stay fresh longer without trapping moisture. The wooden top adds extra surface space for oils or essentials. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it with ease, then lock it securely in place. It's space-saving, efficient, and turns scattered produce. This smart, space-saving outdoor piece works as a cooler, side table, and storage unit, all in one sleek design. Lift the lid, and it holds up to 24 cans or wine bottles on ice. Close it, and you've got a sturdy surface for drinks or essentials. A built-in drain makes cleanup effortless. This smart 2-tier pull-out organizer works around plumbing with its smart L-shaped design, maximizing every inch of wasted space. Both tiers slide out smoothly from either side, so nothing gets lost in the back again. Built from rust-resistant steel and supporting heavy loads, it's made to last. The grid base prevents water buildup, and installation takes seconds with no tools required. Overall, it's a clean, useful solution to one of the most frustrating storage spots. Spice chaos ends right here. This smart rotating rack comes fully stocked and ready to use, eliminating the need to buy and organize jars separately. Just spin, grab, and season right away. Sifter lids give you controlled pouring without accidental overuse, while clearly labeled tops make identification effortless mid-cooking. It's space-saving, efficient, and helps keep everything in one place. Great for everyday cooking or gifting, it transforms a messy spice collection into a clean, functional, and visually satisfying setup right away. This smart, expandable dish rack stretches across your sink, letting water drain directly without soaking your counters. It holds plates, bowls, glasses, pans, and utensils, all in one structured layout. The stainless steel frame resists rust, while rubber feet keep everything stable and scratch-free. A removable utensil holder helps keep smaller items upright for faster drying. Overall, it's a smart, space-saving solution that transforms dishwashing from cluttered chaos into a streamlined, efficient process every time.